How to redeem Delta gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Delta gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Gift cards may be redeemed for any flight worldwide at delta.com or by calling the toll-free number on the screen. Gift cards may be redeemed toward Delta Vacations packages that include airfare by visiting delta.com/vacations or by calling the toll-free number on the screen. E-gift cards and cards may only be redeemed toward the total purchase price of air transportation, including taxes, fees, and surcharges imposed on the air transportation, or on Delta Vacations packages that include air transportation, excluding any cash portion of an award or miles plus cash ticket. They may not be used for any additional fees, including baggage fees, or for any other products or services, including in-flight purchases, class upgrades, or premium sitting after the initial plane ticket purchase has already been completed, mileage booster, Delta cruises, cargo, hotel stays, or car rentals. Gift cards cannot be used to pay for any cashed portion of an award or miles plus cash ticket. So, this is how you can redeem Delta gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Login Giants, for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.